Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sasi Kirana, but you can call me Sasi. My name is 250105475. Today I will explain how to use a blender to make Goryeo milkshake. A blender is an electronic tool that is commonly used in the kitchen. It helps you make, crush, and blend ingredients quickly and easy. Many people use a blender to make juice, smoothies, milkshake, sauce on another food or drinks. Use a blender can save time and make food preparation easier. In this video, I will explain the parts of a blender, its function, how to use it safely, and how to make a delicious Goryeo milkshake. Let's get started. This is a blender. A blender has several important parts. First, this is a jar blender. It is used to hold the ingredients. Second, it is the lid. It prevents the ingredients from spilling out while the blender is running. Third, there are the blades. The blade crush and blend the ingredients. Finally, this is the power button. It is used to turn the blender on and off. Some blender also have speed control buttons. Low speed is suitable for soft ingredient. High speed is suitable for crushing ice cup and harder ingredients. Ice cup. Each part has an important function, so we must use the blender correctly. Function and safety tips. A blender has many functions. It can make ingredients quickly, it can crush ice cups, it can make smoothies and milkshake, it can also help prepare sauce and soup. Before using a blender, always follow safety rules. Check the power part is carefully. Make sure the blender is clean. Place the blender on the flat surface. Do not touch the blender directly. Do not open the lid while the blender is running. Do not overload the blender with too many ingredients. Always use a blender carefully. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Prepare Goryeo cookies. Prepare 1 glass of milk. Prepare some ice cup. Prepare a blender. And prepare a serving glass. Before starting, make sure all the ingredients are ready and easy to reach. Ready. Also, make sure the blender is clean and good condition. Clean and good condition. Now let's start making the milkshake. First, open the blender lid carefully. Second, put the Goryeo cookies into the blender jar. Third, pour the milk into the blender. Fourth, add some ice cube into the blender. The ice cube will make the milkshake colder and more refreshing. 50. Close the lid tightly. Finally, check the lid one more time before blending. Now, plug in the blender. Press the power button. Select a suitable span. Select a suitable span. Blend the ingredient for about 1 or 2 minutes. Watch the mixture while the blender is running. Blend the ingredient for about 1 or 2 minutes. Watch the mixture while the blender is running. Wait until the Goryeo cookies and the ice cube mix completely with the milk. Continue blending until the mixture becomes smooth, cold, and creamy. Do not open the lid while the blender is running. After 1 or 2 minutes, turn off the blender. Wait for the blend to stop completely. Unplug the blender carefully. Next, open the lid slowly. Pour the Goryeo milkshake into a serving glass. The texture should be smooth, cold, and creamy. Now the Goryeo milkshake is ready to drink. After using the blender, clean it properly. Remove the blender jar carefully. Wash the jar with water and dish soap. Clean the lid and another removable parts. Dry all parts before storing them. Keeping the blender clean and make it last longer. Now I will explain the benefit of using a blender. A blender can save time when preparing food or drinks. A blender can make ingredients quickly and efficiently. A blender can crush ice cup easily. It can make smoothies, milkshake, juice, soup, or sauce. Using a blender is more practical than mixing ingredients by hand. A blender can also help you prepare healthy drinks at home. Because of their benefit, many people use a blender every day. A blender is one of the most useful electronic tools in the kitchen. In conclusion, a blender is a useful electronic tool. It helps you mix, crush, and blend ingredients quickly and easily. Today, I use a blender to make an Goryeo milkshake. The steps are simple and easy to follow. Remember to use the blender safely and clean it after use. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.